I gotta let it go. 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 So much running through my head. Gotta get these dollars. Gotta get this bread. Play me never. Cross me, get severed. Beat me like a meter. Listening to this Drake. I just wanna be successful. Should I leave or should I stay? Cause in this game of life, there is no time to play. Better enjoy me now, cause when I'm gone, you surely miss me. Singing a sad song like Dear John. I'm the best kept secret. If you got me, you better keep it. I'ma die. The HJG to the UNC, and can't none of y'all ugly cats mess with me. Word is bond, round for round, pound for pound. Hey yo, this is how I sound. Let's make today a day we won't forget. Better yet, a day we won't regret. Stressing makes it hard to breathe. See, relax and grab reality. The world of make believe seems so easy. Haters like goalies neglecting possibilities, uniting to achieve, rising above iniquity. So I gotta let it go. 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 When the bass drop, cease, have a moment of peace. For those that rest in peace, holla back. Hill Green TV, word up.